Welcome back to another video. Where today I like trains. I like trains. I like trains. Yeah, I like trains. Shoot me down, but I won't fall. Maybe I will. Shoot me down, but I won't fall. Cause I am titanium. But I won't fall. Cause I am titanium. Hi. I'm born.
Let's not do that.
Trains. Oh, yeah, yeah. Hi. Wanna know something? Hey, wanna know something? Go on YouTube.
How much subscribers do you have?
Only one so far.
Really? I have 20. 23.
Cool. Don't care. Ba ba ba. Eyeball. 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 Oh. Eyeball. No. Hey, question. Are you a YouTuber?
What?
Are you a YouTuber?
Wait, what'd you call me?
Are you a YouTuber?
No, what'd you say my name?
Are you a YouTuber? Jesus, just answer me.
Yes. I am.
Okay, how did you change that one face thing to like a regular face, like a human face thing to a different face?
That, it's really advanced. I can't really teach it to you right now. It'd take me hours.
How would it take you hours?
Because it's really, really hard.
How's it hard?
I spent 5 hours working on a video just with that app.
So it needs an app to do it.
Yeah, but it has to be a computer app.
Oh. Just to get. Okay, how do you like? Do you need? Okay. You know how people like play? Dude. You know how like people play like on Xbox and stuff on videos? How do they do that? What kind of camera do they need? Do they need the computer app?
You need a USB. You need a USB for that.
What's a USB?
Something you plug into your Xbox.
Yeah, I really want to do that with my PlayStation. You can't? You cannot do it with the PlayStation.
You have to have an HDMI to do it with PlayStation.
I do have an HDMI cord and stuff.
And then you can do it with your PlayStation.
How? What button do you hit?
You don't hit a button. You have to have a USB. You have to plug it into it.
Oh. Well, prepare to get wrecked with your tablet. Goodbye, guys. This is going to be the end of the video. Say goodbye.
Bye. Goodbye.
Goodbye. That was my eyeball. Good day.